Alright, good morning. This is a video for explaining evaluating expressions. Here are some examples since we're going to be working on that on IXL. So, if A equals 3 and B equals 2 and C equals 12, I'm going to be asking you to evaluate expressions. So example 1 is A plus 5. So remember that when we are evaluating expressions, we are going to substitute our value for our variable. So if A equals 3, then I'm going to put 3 in place of A. So this then looks like, I'm going to use a parentheses, 3 plus 5, which is then equal to 8. So that's example 1. Example 2, if I wanted to do C over B, remember that this fraction line is just a fancy way of doing division. I would then substitute C is 12, so I have it equals 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Yeah, that's all. Let's do example 3, final example, just to help you out, because you might see some exponents. If I had B to the power of 3 minus 3, B is 2. So if I had 2 to the power of 3 minus 3, remember that an exponent means you're multiplying by itself. So 2 to the power of 3 is also known as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So I have 8, and then let's do minus 3, which equals 5. So that would be 5. Maybe one more example, just because this is already a short video. Example 4, if I had 6B, remember when two things are right next to each other, it means we're going to have to multiply them together. So this then is 6, and then this is why it's so important to put parentheses when you are substituting your value, so you know that when they're right next to each other, you're going to have to multiply. So B is 2, so 6 times 2 when they're right next to each other. 6 times 2 is 12. So if you have any questions, go ahead and email me. I hope this video helps with evaluating expressions.